A to Z, under the sea. So many creatures, come with me. A is for angelfish, swimming so bright. B is for beluga, white as the light. C is for crab, walking side to side. D is for dolphin, jumping with pride. E is for eel, wiggling all around. F is for flounder, flap upon the ground. A to Z, under the sea. So many creatures, come with me. G is for goldfish, orange and small. H is for hammerhead, biggest of all. I is for inkfish, squirting out some ink. J is for jellyfish, floating pink. K is for killer whale, splashing with the leaf. L is for lobster, walking in the deep. A to Z, under the sea. So many creatures, come with me. M is for manatee, gentle and slow. N is for narwhal, with the horn, you know. O is for octopus, 8 arms so grand. P is for puffer, puffing up like a ball. Q is for queen Kong, in a shell so tall. R is for ray, gliding through it all. A to Z, under the sea. So many creatures, come with me. S is for starfish, glowing in the sand. T is for turtle, swimming near the land. U is for urchin, spiky, round and small. V is for viperfish, deep where it's dark. W is for walrus, tusk so sharp and stark. X is for exerfish, see-through water sight. Y is for yellowtail, swimming swift and bright.